Flex, decoded. The modern slang explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a word that has gained popularity in recent years and has become a prominent slang term, flex. If you've been on social media or around younger folks, you've probably heard it. But what does it mean? Let's break it down. Flex originally comes from the word flexible, but its modern slang use is far from its root. In the world of slang, to flex means to show off, to boast, or to display one's abilities, possessions, or achievements. It's often used in contexts where someone is proudly showcasing something. Example, did you see John's new car? He's always trying to flex. When people use flex, it can be both positive and negative depending on the context. 1. Positive flexing. 2. I just finished my project ahead of time. Just a small flex. 3. She scored the highest in the class. That's a legit flex. 4. Negative flexing. Used sarcastically or critically. 5. Oh, you bought another designer bag? What a flex. 6. He's always flexing about his travels. It gets annoying. This is a phrase you might have come across, which is a reaction to someone flexing in a way that seems odd, unnecessary, or not impressive. It acknowledges the attempt to show off while also questioning its value. Example, Person A, I can eat 20 hot dogs in one go. Person B, weird flex, but okay. The concept of flexing isn't limited to just this word. It's representative of a culture, especially in the era of social media, where people often showcase their lives, achievements, and possessions. While it's natural to share achievements, it's also important to remember to stay humble and genuine. So there you have it. Next time you hear someone mention a flex, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. Whether you choose to use the term or not, it's always fun to understand the evolving nature of language. Hope this video was a helpful flex of knowledge for you. Until next time, keep learning and growing.